Good morning, everyone. Okay, here we are back after I don't know, like 2 weeks vacation after the trip in Malaysia. We're leaving now Hua Hin, and let's go a little bit north. Big statue of Buddha here. Very big, very nice. How beautiful is this? Already done. Looks very much flooded here everywhere, but oh, look at that. Look at that guy there in. Oh. Well, oh my God. We are passing here this national park. Look at beautiful street is this, going through the here. So we're gonna go from Kalasin, let's say. We was on the side of Kalasin province, and we're gonna go to the other side, this is the national park, and we're gonna be in Samut Sakhon. Samut Nakhon. I'm gonna put you down. I'm always confused about this. You want to investigate this? What is it? The front side? Okay, let's go look. I think we have a nice view from here. Oh, so this is the cliff that I did not get to read the whole thing, but he was talking about a cliff. And this is, you cannot see really so much because looks like, sorry, but this camera, okay, now yes, now Okay, so I was saying you cannot see so much because you have all this tree in the front. But look at this view. This is just beautiful. This is just beautiful here. Look at this. Very, very nice. Map of Kalasin. So I think we are still in the Kalasin part. I don't know, this is not in English. So, and you can go there and you have another view from there. But we would go because we have a lot of road to cover. Very, very, very nice, twisty, very nice road. Maybe the road is not the best, has like a lot of holes and puddles, but nice and twisty in this nice national park. Very nice. And here we are, welcome to Sakon Nakhon. Look at this turn. Look at this turn. Oops. Come on, look at this turn. Oh, look at that other turn. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look at this. So, okay, here we go. Let's go buy something here. Let's go buy some food for camping. And so let's see what we're gonna find here for camping. So we have a restaurant, Altri Camping, and look, they have a restaurant, so we have food to eat. We have some food, but I want something in case it gets cold. Actually, it's gonna be cold. Nice. Look at this, 2 times spicy. This sounds good. Okay. I like this. This is 2 times spicy, so we can make hot chicken flavor and we can buy maybe we can buy some eggs. We can put eggs in. And I have some sardines, I have some rice, I have many things. So this is just in case it gets cold. And so we got some food for the camping. Wow, look how beautiful is this. That are the mountain in Laos. I don't know if you can see them with the GoPro. This is beautiful here. So I went to the first camping place and I did not like, to be honest. So the toilet was very, was cleaned out. Lasciava a desiderare, how we say in Italian. So nothing, we go to the second camping now. And let's hope that this is gonna be better. All right, okay? I'll see you when I get there. It's gonna be about 20 minutes from here. How beautiful is this? So this is the road, practically where we are. It's the road from Nakhon Phanom to Bueng Kan. You see Bueng Kan, 93 kilometers, and it follows the Mekong River that is here. And I don't know if you can see all the mountains there. That is flat. All right, here we should get. We are almost by the camping. See if it's here. Yes, this is. Yes, this is. Okay, let's go see Mekong Sky Resort. Let's see if it's. Let's hopefully it's good. The pictures show on the Mekong River. What is the Mekong River? Oh, here. Ooh. Some sand.
Head southwest, then sharp right.
Yes, this is.
Sharp right.
Here is the sign. Oh, and that is the Mekong River. Okay, okay, I see. Okay, I see. Okay, I see.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
And look at this. This is the spot I take. Looks very good. Looks perfect. Looks beautiful. Really beautiful.
big in your town, people had a certain walk and a certain frown, steady and heavy, or younger than 20. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. We'll teach you to blush and how to get your way. Useful tricks. Once you get a taste of it, you lay all them bricks higher and higher. You'll reach your desire. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. And when they do, they'll cherish you. And when they do, they'll cherish you. It's when they do, they'll cherish you. When they do, they'll cherish you.
Stand is done.
Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known.
Time to go take a shower. All right, okay, let's go. All right, okay, guys, good night. It is a very cold night tonight. It's 15 now. Let's see how this bag is, nature hike is getting. I put some extra clothes because it says T-Comfort 15. Tonight looks that it's going like to 9. Let's see. Okay, I'm tired. I go sleep. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It is a very cold night. I wake up 2 times during the night because I was cold and I put more things. Look at this, I show you what's the temperature now. Here you can see 10. Very, very cold. Let me show you here outside. Look at this. Beautiful day here. Oh, look at here. My chair now. We're gonna do a nice breakfast. But look at this. Very nice. Bold is here. Bold is doing very good. He's doing very good. Let me show you here. Look how beautiful is this. Let's take a walk here. And then we go make coffee. Look how beautiful is this. Oh, they already collecting their tent. I think they going very early. Oh no, no. Just taking out all the, look at the river. Flowing very strong, you can see, I hope you can see with the GoPro. It's flowing very, very strong. Well, this is the Mekong River, yeah? So, has lots of power and lots of water. No fish there. I missed them. But beautiful. Look at the mountain there. How beautiful they are. I went last year there and it was really beautiful in Laos. Lots of mountain. I think I want to go back. Let's see if we can go back this year. In the next couple of months. Let's see how it is. Go check again Laos. And there is our tent. There is another tent. That's a single, a one-person tent. And down there is that. Okay, let's go. Let's go make breakfast. So guys, all right. So first we make a coffee because, like I told you, it's a very cold morning. Then I'm gonna have this morning, this many days that I don't have, a nice cup of oatmeal. Coffee, I had a new coffee here, still roast master like before I used, but this is espresso. Let's see, premium roasted coffee, dark roast. Let's see if it's good. I don't know. I hope so. You know, I'm Italian and coffee for me is very important. Okay. Oh yes. Dripping nicely this coffee. Tonight is the last day, today the last day that we stay here. And tonight and tomorrow morning we will leave. And from here we're gonna go to Nong Khai. Even if I've been in Nong Khai already, but we're gonna go there because it's like the regular step, like to from here go up Bueng Kan, Nong Khai. And when we get, it's I believe 178 kilometers from here, Nong Khai, something like that, 200 kilometers. So it's not gonna be a long day tomorrow, but not gonna tape too much, but just go there, sleep one night, and then from there we gonna go to Loei and gonna go camp there and gonna go in Loei because Loei province is really beautiful. Oh, look at this, look how it's steaming. Can you see the steam? Oh, yep. So let's put them here right away. Yeah, let's see. Okay, here we have them. Nice bowl of oatmeal for breakfast. And the sun is warming me up from the back. This is perfect. All right, okay. I'll see you later. All right, okay, guys. So I come here. I was working here on my some videos, and I ordered some food. Look at this. Looks very delicious with a nice chang, like usual. Let me show you the food. Look at this beautiful fried rice chicken, pig and pa, nice chang to drink. This is the place. My laptop working on the videos, charging everything like usual on the side of the river. Okay, let's turn this like this, mix a little bit, and now first we're gonna just try the fried rice. Very good. Now we're gonna put a little bit of pig nampa. It's the spicy sauce that they make here in Thailand. Very, very, very good. Perfect day. Share. Camping, working on the video. So we start here doing our now soup. Kind of late, guys. Taking some time to boil here, but there we go. Looks very good, huh? I hope so. I'm gonna show you now. Now we're gonna crack the egg in. First egg. And we're just gonna cook them there in. Okay. And here we go. First I taste, then I show you. Let's see. How is this mama noodle? Spicy mama noodle with eggs. Very good. Let me show you the pot. Now, I'll put you there. Ah, look at this beautiful thing.